you're exploring master data management solutions for your enterprise, Dun & Bradstreet is here to help. D&B's Master Data Workshop offers access to expert advisors who are ready to dive in deep with your team to understand your master data management needs. At Dun & Bradstreet, we believe that any successful master data management effort needs to start with data, the people, and the process that touch them. And that's why our Master Data Workshop focuses on these needs first, not expensive enterprise software. When you and your cross-functional team take part in the Master Data Workshop from Dun & Bradstreet, you'll experience a thoughtful, step-by-step approach to quantifying your data quality needs, your team's readiness for the master data journey, and interactive, collaborative probing of your team's specific strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities using proven methodologies like Rose Thorn Bud and affinity clustering. Let's dig in. Dun & Bradstreet's data advisors will first take a portion of your data and perform our proprietary match optimization service against this. This service has been proven time and time again to identify data quality gaps and configuration opportunities that increases match rates by at least 25% for most customers. Increased match rates mean more records that you can tie into D&B's data cloud to extend your insights into those customers, suppliers, prospects, and partners. Then one of Dun & Bradstreet's senior consultants will lead your team through an exercise to understand the team's awareness and operational readiness for master data management challenges. The Master Data Readiness Assessment measures readiness across 24 distinct areas of master data, helping to paint an honest and nuanced picture of where you are and where you can get to. Finally, your cross-functional team and ours will gather virtually or in person for a 1 or 2 day workshop where we follow a collaborative engagement process to evaluate your current state, your future needs, and your team's strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities.
The real critical and the key portion here is this interactive capability, so I'm excited to see how this all works together. Please make sure you're very involved. We need all of your active participation. Sure. So typically what's happening is everyone's just working independently, right? They're literally just thinking about within their group what, the pain points that they're having, things that they want to make sure just keep going, ideas that hopefully the group has generated virtually. This is how it's going to be. If we were in a room, because again, hopefully we will be within the next 6 months or so, we would typically have people writing on, we bring stickies, we bring magic markers, and people write it right up on there. Once they have a group number, we've put those columns up on a whiteboard, and they're now placing their stickies in the appropriate grouping. So that's actually what takes place during these sessions. We want them to put up anything that they're having issue with. And again, some of them may be things we can't support, but you want to make sure that we are capturing every single one of those. Before we go any further, what we would typically do is have a conversation about the top ones, right? The duplicates, then multiple versions of the truth, lack reporting. I think it's important, again, as part of the workshop, that you actually go over the ones that are at the top. And I know you're going to move them to a different group, but this also could potentially be a good time for a conversation.
And one that will spark ideas, conversations, and innovations for months to come. Following the workshop, Dun & Bradstreet's advisory team will develop a summary of readiness issues, recommendations for initial master data targets, advanced MDM approaches, and a potential action plan complete with resource alignment, deliverables you should expect, and a customized timeline. The Master Data Workshop gives you a data-centric view of your master data journey and sets your team up early for success. Plus, we'll follow up with you afterward to see how you and your team are doing and where else we can lend a hand. The Master Data Workshop from Dun & Bradstreet is the best way to take your first step toward true master data management. Talk to your Dun & Bradstreet representative today to schedule a discussion on how it can work for you.